Welcome to the Garden Gist. Today we are going to see the progress so far. Remember, a few days ago we planted Ugu seed, and today, 10 days after we planted this seed, I want to give you guys update on the progress of this planting. That's the progress of the seed that I planted. Okay, so let's take a look at our seed and see how they are doing. Okay, like I said, we planted this 10 days ago. As you can see, they are doing very well. I planted 23 Ugu seed, and this one came up in just about 5 days. So this was the one that sprouted, and it took it 5 days. Okay, subsequently I started seeing other ones like this one and this one too. They are doing so well. As you can see, they're doing so well. I'm so excited, and this is the first time I'm doing this. This is the first time I'm planting Ugu in Canada. Yes. Last year I tried that, but I sowed directly to the soil and it didn't even come up at all. But all these ones, they all broke surface, except two. This one is yet to break the surface, and this one also is yet to break the surface. So I'm hoping 100% germination rate. Okay, that's what I'm hoping, and we will see. I'll still give you update for these two, right? But every other one has broken surface. You can see them, and they're doing very well. Look at the leaves, very dark, lush green, healthy. The stem, very healthy and thick. Okay, so like I said, please join me in this journey. I promise to give you updates. So next time I will show you the progress and what I've done in order to keep this indoors for the period of time that I'm going to do that, because here in Canada we still have snow, very cold temperature. This is a cold region. So right now I'm still doing nursery. I'm still doing it, bringing this up in the nursery and hoping that will sustain till it becomes safe to take them outside. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening. Bye bye.